Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix the error which is the file format is not spotted in WhatsApp whenever you try to send any type of media to a contact which you have added on WhatsApp. So viewers, what you have to do is watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Viewers, if I go to WhatsApp and if I search for a contact to whom I want to send the media of any type, so viewers, you can see I have selected the contact whom I want to send any type of media, for example video, images, etc. So you can see at the top of my mobile screen there is a storage space running out icon. You can see it's here. So viewers, if I try to send a video to this contact, for example this one, so I will tap on it. You can see viewers, now the video is preparing to get ready to be sent. So viewers, you can see it's taking time. So viewers, I am waiting for it to successfully prepare the video so that I can then tap on the send button so that the video can be sent to this contact which I have already selected. So viewers, you can see I have got an error which is the file format is not spotted. So viewers, it's due to this icon which is basically notification which is storage space running out. Some system functions may not work. So viewers, in order to remove this notification or get rid of this notification, you have to do is delete pictures, images, videos, audios, applications, files or documents which are not of your use. So for example, if I go back, viewers, I will delete one application because I don't use it, so it's this one. So I will delete this application from this smartphone. So I will uninstall this application from my smartphone. So viewers, you can see now this application has been uninstalled successfully. So viewers, still now I am getting this notification which is storage space running out. So for example, I don't need this application also, so I will uninstall this one also. So viewers, you can see a pop-up has appeared, so I will tap on OK. So viewers, you can see that this application has been uninstalled successfully. Still now I am getting this notification. So now what I will do is delete some of my videos which are not of my use. So I will go to gallery. If I tap on albums and if I tap on camera, I for example don't need this video, so I will delete this one. So I will tap on then delete. So I will then tap on delete. So viewers, you can see that that video has been deleted. As viewers, that video has got deleted, if I drag down the notification panel of my smartphone, you can see that that notification has gone, which is storage space running out. Some system functions may not work properly. So viewers, like this you can also get rid of that notification. So now viewers, if I go back to WhatsApp again and then send this video again to my that contact, you can see that now the video is preparing and getting ready to be sent it. So viewers, now you can see that I have got no error, which is the file format is not spotted. So viewers, now if I tap on this send button, you can see that the video is now sending to my this contact. So viewers, like this you can also fix the error, which is the file format is not spotted in WhatsApp. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. Share it and subscribe my YouTube channel Get Information and Knowledge, and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.